Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're going to teach you a phrase that we kind of drop kind of often. 我们常常都会讲真的假的，还是说真的吗？Really？ 我们来教客语怎么说这句话好了。
有样么？
有样么 Okay, so a lot of situations where you encounter and you go, really? And today we're going to teach you a situation where you meet someone from the same hometown. 尤其在国外这个异国里面，如果碰到一些就是同一个家乡来的，你就会特别对，有那种 feel 在，对不对？有那个 connection。所以呢，刚好这个月呢，我们在教这个新竹县的横山乡啊。反正我们就当做你是横山乡的人，好不好
？Okay.
Let's pretend that Alice is from this township, but she is actually from Hsinchu, and we have a conversation about, meeting someone that's from the same hometown. Okay, 所以我老家在新竹横山乡，怎么说？
牙萝卜，
牙萝卜，
都新竹，
都新竹，
王山乡，
王山乡，
牙萝卜都新竹，王山乡。
My hometown is in Hsinchu's Hengsan Township.
那新竹呢？海陆腔我们可以说新竹。
新竹 ，OK， 刚刚四县是
新竹，
新竹 ，OK， 其实差不多了哈。这边新竹其实海陆腔的四县的都很多人吧，对不对？
新竹大部分来讲会讲海陆腔比较多，
海陆比较多。
对
，OK， so that's a different dialect for 新竹。And if I'm from the same place, of course, my response is 真的假的？我也是耶。
有样么？
有样么？
矮没黑呢？
矮没黑呢？矮没黑呢？就是我也是，
我也是，
哇马西呢？对，会有一种那种亲切感在了，对不对？这时候我们就可以约啊，要返乡的时候一起回家嘛，好不好？Let's go ahead and teach you, like, maybe for the next holiday, let's go home together. Let's go back to our hometown together. 中秋节一起回家吧。
八月班。
八月班。
乡下来去转哈。
乡下来去转哈。对。转哈就是一起回家转回家了，这样子是。Okay, so for the next big holiday, it happens to be Full Moon Fest. That's what that sentence is all about. Let's go home together, go back to our hometown together during Full Moon Fest. Well, it's time to review some of these vocab, like our hometown, 老家。
洛북
and it's in 新竹。
新竹。
And for the coming festival, it's called Full Moon Fest, 中秋节。
八月班。
And it's all about really 有样么，是不是
？Yeah.
All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.